Variation 7 has syncopated rhythm right here. We saw those combinations, the exact same combinations with right hand duet, but I would like to review because this is very important. 1 quarter note, 1/2 note, and a quarter note. Okay, so 2 counts is going to be in the center. The long note is going to be in the center. Those are called syncopated rhythm. I am going to play the rhythm on just 1 note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I am going to play the first line. I am sure you can practice the rest of them by yourself.